What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and I cannot believe I'm actually going to do this. So I've been using this since it came out on launch day. It is the deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm about to put this in a drawer already because I've just picked up the iPhone Air and I've heard great things about it, and I'm ready to check it out because I already use a Fold 7 as my Android phone of choice, and I figured this would go along perfect just to have that iPhone, just to have the iPhone with me. I use the Fold 7 quite a lot, and then having this became my main one. The Fold 7 was put to the side, and I figured to myself, you know what, it's time I really check this one out, because the more I'm seeing online, the more I'm like, I think I need to check this out and see how good it is for myself. Obviously the battery isn't great, however with the way that I run things and the way my job is, then I think I can get away with this because I have a charger in the van and it's on there all day long. I mean, it comes off every now and again. I do swap it around every now and again, and I let the battery run down on the 17 Pro Max, but now 90% of the time it's on that Pataka mode because it's running Apple CarPlay and it's running Waze, Apple Music or podcasts all day long. So this may be a good test for me because it'll give me that iPhone feeling, but also in that slim form factor, and I'm excited to check this out. So I went for it in the 256. I've got a video coming soon on why I've gone for 256. There is a reason behind it. I went for the black version. I know a lot of people were going for the blue and then saying that it looked a bit white, but I went for the black. So obviously because we didn't get a black Pro Max this year, which I would have gone for, that's what I normally go for. Now I've been a Pro Max user, since I don't know when. I went for the very first Pro Max to come out, and obviously I had the S series phone that was in the Max too. So yeah, from big phones, I can't remember the last time I had a smaller one. I did want to switch to the Pro, just the single Pro, but then I was like, I'd missed that screen real estate. Why not take a look at this? It's in the middle, 6.5 inch. So there's one and two. There we go. So it says iPhone on the side, it's in black, it shows that slim form factor off. I know there's probably already plenty of unboxing videos on YouTube right now, but obviously this is mine. Apple logo in black too, and if we open up the box, there's the phone front and centre. So place that just to one side for a second. Obviously you get your normal stuff in here, you get your little booklet and stuff, no SIM ejection tool because it doesn't come with one, and of course your USB-C braided white. I thought it would have been a nice touch to put a black one in there with having the black hair, but no, still a nice touch, the braided cable. Do like the braided USB-C cable a lot. So there we go, there is the black. It looks good, it does look good. So there's the black hair. I mean, them side rails, that is so thin, and it's so lightweight as well compared to the Pro Max. It's a bit top heavy with the camera, but so is the Pro Max too. So, but yeah, that feels really, really good. So let's go ahead and take this off, eh? May as well make it official. Oof. God, that's so nice. That is so nice, and the black side rails too. Obviously nothing on this side apart from your action button and your volume. It's already got fingerprints on it already. Mic's on the bottom, of course, no speaker grill, USB-C port, camera control on this side, and your power button. No, as I say, no SIM at all because it's only eSIM, which will suit me, that's fine. Let's go ahead and switch it on. There we go. It should be a nice simple setup because I'm actually going to just transfer straight from the Pro Max over to this one. But there's no cases or not on here yet, so I'm not completely fully switching just yet. Until cases and like some screen protectors arrive, because the last thing I want is this to get damaged in the van. English, United Kingdom. The difference is unreal. I mean, the screen real estate isn't that much different than I thought it was going to be, but size wise, I mean, that feels great in the hand. Continue, let it connect, and then we just do that. There we go, getting things ready. Set up for me, finish on new iPhone. So let's see. It may take a few minutes to activate the phone, so already connected to my Wi-Fi network. So let's set them down and let it do its thing. And of course it has a software update, so let it do that. Enjoy your new iPhone, done. Agree, and let it do its software update. So there we go, it's all official now. I'm just waiting for all the apps and stuff to download, but it looks identical now to the screen on my 17 Pro Max. So it's all set up, just as I say, waiting for the apps to all download on this. I'm going to stick it on charge, and now this will be my main phone for a little while. I'm moving away from the 17 Pro Max, but there will still be cases and stuff coming for this guy, so stay tuned for that. And obviously anything you want to see for the Air, so any cases, any screen protectors you want to see, let me know in the comment section down below. I have got some coming already, but just let me know if there's anything you would like to see with this, and I'll make it happen. Time to get to grips with the slim iPhone Air. If you picked one up yourself, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is it the best iPhone you've had so far? I believe, obviously I didn't have the mini. I did want to try and get a mini, but I never ever got one. And I do use an iPhone 16 as my work phone. Try using this guy now, away from the Pro Max, along with the Fold 7, and we'll see how the pair match up together. It is me switching from an iPhone 17 Pro Max as a Pro Max user to the Air, and we'll see how we get on. I have got the MagSafe battery pack coming. I've also got another one from Anchor. If there's anything, as I say, you want to see for the Air, let me know in the comment section down below. But which one did you go for this year? Did you go for the 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, the Air, or just the standard 17, or did you not even bother upgrading at all anyway? Let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one, which will probably still be with the Pro Max because nothing's turned up as of yet, and I still need to obviously charge it and get to grips with it. So I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to go and enjoy this because it feels great and it looks fantastic in the black. Really does. See you all soon.